So whenever you're ready, ready to start.
Good afternoon. My name is Katie Colligan.
Kristen Smith.
And I'm Ryan Dacko.
And we're going to talk to you today about the Easy Load and Ride trailers. Again, I'm Katie. I'm going to be the financial specialist for our company, and I have an associate's degree in automotive technology, and I'm working toward my associate's degree in diesel power technology and a bachelor's in entrepreneurship.
I am Kristen Smith. I am currently working towards my bachelor's degree in equine science, and I will be the equine specialist.
And I currently have my associate's degree in automotive technology, and I'm working towards my degree in diesel power and my bachelor's in entrepreneurship.
And I'm going to hand it over to Kristen, and she's going to talk to you about what our product is.
So, like the name says, this trailer is, the goal of it is to make it easier to load and more comfortable for the ride. So the part of making it easier to load is the trailer is going to be on an air suspension that lowers the entire floor to ground level, so it's flat against, or fairly even with the ground, so there's minimal up into the trailer. This is a problem, as you can see in the top picture. Horses not really liking to go onto, in this particular case, a ramp. It's weird for them, it's not normal. And then there's other trailers that have a step up, which is, again, not necessarily natural for the horse to do, and it's not something that they generally like to do. So this is going to allow them to just continue walking on the flat surface into the trailer. The easy ride portion of it is a air suspension. It just gives it an easier ride than a traditional spring suspension. And the bottom picture here is the trailer lowered to the ground. So our market is going to be, of course, horse owners that trailer. And we're going to start out with a simple bumper hitch trailer, which is a smaller trailer. And currently the U.S. produces about 17,000 bumper pull trailers a year. So we are going to fit into that market size. I'm going to hand it off to Ryan to go over our design and technology.
So, the way our design works is traditionally the spring will be mounted under the frame here, and the axle will be under it. But in our case, we have this swing arm, which is what the wheel is mounted to. And when the airbag deflates, the wheel will go up, the wheel won't actually go up, but the trailer will go down. And when it inflates, the wheel will go down, which picks the trailer up. And our business model to make this happen is we're going to purchase trailers from a manufacturer that already builds them, so we don't have to concentrate on designing a whole new trailer. We'll take an already proven design, and then we're going to outfit it with our suspension. And after we do that, we first plan on selling them directly from our manufacturing facility to the public, and we're also going to offer a program to other current trailer dealers to go and get trained on our trailer, how to fix it, how to service it. And then eventually, after we have proven with the bumper pull, this can be applied to any horse trailer. Just the bumper pull is a more common trailer for the average horse owner.
So with this product, we have no direct competitors because there is nothing like it. There are other companies that you can bring an already purchased trailer to, and they can outfit the trailer with it, but then you have to go through the process of ordering your trailer and then bringing it and waiting, and with that time you're losing valuable time that you could be bringing your horse to do whatever activities you're doing with it. Versus us, we're going to be selling them already completed, so there won't be a waiting period for it. There's the 101 other manufacturers that have just a typical leaf-sprung suspension system, but ours offers the easier loading and then on that the easier ride for the horse. So our capital needs in the first year, we're gonna start off with 2 employees to do the welding. We figure we're gonna get someone that's more of an apprentice that won't cost quite as much, and then we'll need a master welder to make sure that everything is done how it's supposed to be. We're gonna need a facility to rent out so that we can build the trailers and have them in our inventory. And down here you see we're gonna start with 3 trailers in our inventory and work up from there. And then, other than that, our starting capital is going to be about $360,000. And then for our first year, if we started off with 15 units, we'd be making, if we sold 15 units, we'd make about $300,000. And then from there, after we take out the cost, we'd be at about negative $210,000. And as you can see, we'd hope each year to move up with how many units we sold, and by our 3rd year, we would be making $180,000. Does anyone have any questions?
How long would it take you to do the conversion? Ryan, you'd be doing the conversion mostly?
I'd be kind of overseeing it because I kind of thought of the design. I don't see why we couldn't do the entire conversion in a week.
Week or so?
Yep.
And what type of facility would you need in order to do this?
Probably a large open garage space that then had some space outside that we could put the trailers on display.
And that's in your business model? You're going to rent some existing
Yep.
space for that?
Did I miss what these would cost?
We would value them at about $20,000 to the customer, and it would cost us about $10,000 to purchase the trailer, and then another $2,000 to outfit it.
Okay.
How does that compare with the prices of trailers already on the market?
So traditional trailers are anywhere between 12 and 15 is a traditional trailer, but with this you're getting the added benefits of the health and the safety of loading.
Okay, thank you very much.